How to recover deleted posts, photo, videos on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down and get to your information section. Here you want to tap on download your information. Then tap on request a download. Now tap on select types of information. Tap on see more. Now from here you can select your posts, then your stories, reels. Now scroll all the way down and tap on next. Then over here you can leave the format to HTML and you can also select the date range. So if you just require this week's deleted photos or videos, then you can select last week, then tap on submit request. As you can see, the request has been submitted and it is still pending to download, so it might take some time depending on the size of your files. Once it has been downloaded, you can head over to your files and then extract the files from there and you can check out your deleted posts, videos or photos. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.